will start part 2 of the Western Desert. Natural vegetation. The climate of the Thar Desert is hot and dry. So here grow scattered bushes, and thorny shrubs. Scattered bushes means इधर उधर फैली हुई झाड़ियाँ या बिखरी हुई झाड़ियाँ. And thorny shrubs means कांटेदार झाड़ियाँ. Thorny shrubs means कांटेदार झाड़ियाँ. Here found खेजड़ी, कीकर and bubble trees. Khejdi, कीकर and bubble trees are grown in the eastern part of the desert because they need very little water to grow. Now we read animals. What we read? Animals. In Thar Desert, there found camels, black bucks, chinkaras, and great Indian bustards. Camel, you all know, camel is the most useful animal in desert. And black bucks means काले हिरण. And chinkara means one type of deer. And great Indian bustard, one type of bird. I show you picture. See in picture. See, these are scattered bushes and these are thorny shrubs. Now, next, occupation. Now we read occupation. Occupation means व्यवसाय या रोजगार. Occupation means व्यवसाय या रोजगार. First we read animal rearing. Animal rearing. Rearing means पालना, पशुओं को पालना. They rear sheep, goat and camel to earn money. वो पैसे कमाने के लिए शिप, गॉट और कैमल को पालते हैं. एंड अर्न मनी और पैसे कमाते हैं. शिप के हेयर से, मिल्क से, गॉट के, कैमल के मिल्क से, इनको बेच के वो पैसे कमाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, they do farming. They grow बाजरा, ज्वार, maize. Maize means मक्का. Sesame. Sesame means til. Sesame means til. And groundnut. And groundnut. Groundnut means मूंगफली. Groundnut means मूंगफली. Again we read, farmers grow bajra, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnut. Some peoples are banjaras. Banjaras. Banjaras are people who travel from one place to another in search of food. In search of food for themselves and their animals. Means वह अपने और अपने एनिमल्स के फूड के लिए एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड बंजारास. नाउ वी रीड लाइफ स्टाइल. हियर वुमेन वियर घाघरा, चोली and odhni. Dress of women, घाघरा, चोली and odhni. And dress of men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. You know turban means pagdi. Turban means pagdi. See in this picture. See here, women wear घाघरा, चोली and odhni, and men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. Here main festival Gangor and Teej. Gangor and Teej. They celebrate Gangor and Teej. And popular folk dance Here folk dance, Ghumar and Kalbelia. Ghumar and Kalbelia are popular folk dance. They eat dal bati and churma. Dal bati, churma. So this is the lifestyle of Rajasthan. Women wear ghagra, choli and odhni. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. Main festival here Gangor and Teej. Folk dance Ghumar and Kalbelia, and they eat dal bati churma. Now we read water supply. There is always very little water. Village women walk long distances to fetch water. Village women बहुत दूर तक पानी लेने पैदल चलकर जाती हैं. Fetch means कहीं जाकर कुछ लाना. The state government is trying to provide water for domestic use and irrigation. हमारी जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है यहाँ पानी देने के लिए डोमेस्टिक यूज और इरिगेशन के लिए प्रयास करती है. डोमेस्टिक यूज मीन्स घरेलू कार्य के लिए और इरिगेशन मीन्स सिंचाई. डोमेस्टिक यूज लाइक कुकिंग, bathing, washing, etc. And irrigation means सिंचाई. Water from river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal. सतलज रिवर का पानी इंदिरा गांधी कैनल के थ्रू राजस्थान में लाया जाता है. कैनल, यू नो कैनल मीन्स नहर. सतलज रिवर का पानी इंदिरा गांधी कैनल के थ्रू डेजर्ट में लाया जाता है. In Rajasthan, now we read houses. Most houses have flat roof. Roof means chhat. Most houses have flat roof. Because flat roof help to retain the little water that has been collected during rainfall. Means फ्लैट रूफ बारिश का जो पानी थोड़ा कलेक्ट होता है उससे घर को ठंडा रखने में हेल्प करती है. सो दे हैव फ्लैट रूफ्स. सेकेंड, thick wall help to keep the heat out. Keep the heat out. वॉल मीन्स दीवार. अधिकतर हाउस, सभी हाउसों में या अधिकतर हाउसों में दीवार बहुत मोटी होती है जिससे कि बाहर की गर्मी अंदर नहीं आ सके और हाउस घर ठंडे रहे. नेक्स्ट, अंडरग्राउंड टैंक. अंडरग्राउंड टैंक. Some houses have underground tank. Some houses have underground tank to store rainwater. कुछ हाउसेज में अंडरग्राउंड टैंक होते हैं जिससे बारिश का पानी इसमें कलेक्ट किया जा सके और फिर यूज किया जा सके. सी इन पिक्चर. Most houses have small window and the walls are very thick. See, this type of tank is used to store rainwater. This type of tank called tankas. Here major cities, you all know. Major cities are Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, and Bikaner. Again I revise. Here big cities, major cities are Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner. Jaipur is called Pink City. Jaipur is called Pink City. You know why it is called Pink City? Because most of building in all cities are made of pink sandstone. So Jaipur is called Pink City. And it is famous for blue pottery. It is famous for blue pottery. I show you the picture of blue pottery. A large number of tourists visit Rajasthan every year. हर साल दुनिया के सभी जगहों से बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट राजस्थान घूमने आते हैं. So our chapter finish. Lesson number 4, the Western Desert. You read properly this lesson. Thank you. This type of pottery is called blue pottery.